harsh, forbidding landscape. Not an area where we would expect to see much wildlife. My first ever wild penguin. Wow, how exciting. This shot right here makes it all worthwhile. Hi, I'm Matt, and welcome to another edition of Borders on Budgets. On this episode, we are in Punta Tombo, Argentina, home of one of the world's largest penguin colonies.
Hi, I'm Matt, and welcome to this pack of matches, and thank you very much for tuning in.
Seems like this should be on the Blair Witch.
Next episode. Well, a reminder, Borders on Budgets.
Well, as the sign says, Cita El Paso, please yield to the penguins. All right, I'm not going to it is going to come to me. Punta Tombo is located on Argentina's central eastern coast, abutting the Atlantic Ocean, and it is in the Patagonia district of the country. Penguin bridge trolls. By my count, there are about 24 underneath this little footpath. This was worth the $10 admission. Here is where sea meets land, and with it comes thousands, if not tens of thousands, of penguins. Oh, it is so tempting. They are just so close. Toco, Toco, Toco. These penguins, called Magellanic penguins, are residents of Punta Tombo year-round. It so happens that at this season, it is fledging season. I always thought the word was fledgling, but the sign says fledging season. Otherwise, they are molting their feathers. Well, this guy seems to know what to do for the camera. Muchas gracias, Senor Penguino. Wow! I almost balked at spending the $10 entrance fee to Punta Tombo. I'm glad that I listened to an inner second thought. Penguin cliff diving? No way. Just on this beach scene alone, there would be thousands of penguins. It's been counted that at Punta Tombo, there are upwards of 1 million of these critters. I was going to question the sign that says penguins can swim up to 600 kilometers for food. But given how they bolt underwater, you know, that distance is quite possible. Oh, the adorable factor in this photo is just going through the roof. Small child, thousands of penguins. Los pantalones de pingüinos, negro y blanco. Hello, you are not a penguin, and you look like you eat more than fish. Hop. Hop. Don't hop. What does the bridge serve as? Penguin protection. What's its beak capacity distance? Wow. Just wow. Given their limited waddling ability, I'm sure at times these guys wish that they could fly. When thinking of where penguins live and their environment, a desert would be the most contrasting and least likely of thoughts. Great, I've traveled 10,000 kilometers to find out that penguins sound like asthmatic donkeys. And so ends another glorious day on one of the world's largest penguin colonies. Thank you for tuning in to another edition of Borders on Budgets. A reminder, Borders on Budgets, long distance hikes, slices of life, not a lot of money. From Punta Tombo, Argentina, thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you on the next episode. Ooh, tunnel!
It's a tunnel! Oh, how neat! Woo, woo!
Yeah, treleo. Sí. When planning for the day, I failed to consider that when Punta Tombo closes, there are no other options. It is with much thanks to Emiliano that he is giving me a lift back to somewhere in civilization. Otherwise, it really would have been a long night. Did you like this episode? Good! Help Borders on Budgets. Hit the subscribe button below, and don't forget, share this video con tus amigos.